Paystation by Brinks. Easy payment for the customer, safe and hygienic for the cashier. Thanks to Paystation. New by Brinks. Open up in a second. Simply log in and you're ready to go. Feels good. Always enough change in the till. Let the working day begin. Pay by card or with cash. It's up to you. Customers can easily withdraw extra cash. Paying by card stays the same, but cash money can go straight into the Paystation. Change is given automatically. Because both electronic and cash payments are linked, you have the optimum overview of the revenue. Paystation almost full, Brinks is notified and the cassette is simply exchanged. Any extra change needed? We will bring along as well. Customers do more themselves. Checkout operators have more time to spend on the customer. End of your working day, then log out and you're all set for tomorrow. All the money is safe and securely stored in the Paystation. Good night. Paystation. Safe and hygienic, no handling cash. Easy, both for the customer and the cashier. Complete. Immediate insight into electronic and cash revenue. Compact. Save space.